This video was brought to you by Stormberg, a better route planner, MisterGreen, Kempower and Marcus Bil. Okay, so now we are downtown Lahti, and well, I have to say it's full-blown winter here. And this is well, the Finnish people, they say it's a small town, 100,000 people. But I gotta say, man, they still have Christmas decorations here. Oh, that's Paula. So yeah, I should dropped off Bjørn. Okay, all right. So let's see. I just have to film the surroundings here. That over here, Christmas decoration stays until spring. Okay, all right. Let's see. We're gonna check in now. I think this is the hotel. Yes, this is the hotel. Now we are at one of the lakes. You know, Finland has 1,000 lakes, and up here is they call it the mansion. We're supposed to have dinner over there tonight. Paula is going up there already, but we're supposed to have some kind of sauna, and then we're gonna dip in the lake. It's frozen. Well, there's an opening there, so I guess I'll maybe I need to heat up in a sauna. Let's check it out.
With the camera. Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, so we're supposed to chill somewhere, but I think the sauna is over here, right? I have to be careful with the camera because there'll be so big temperature difference. Oh wait, is it? No, that is not here.
There's another sauna.
Oh, okay.
That's a smaller sauna and there's a bigger one.
Oh, so the big sauna is in here.
Yeah.
Let me check
Back
it.
there. Check it out.
Last time I tried this in Lapland, then the lens started fogging. Oh, okay, we have shower here. Oh, it's over here. All right. Okay, so to not ruin the camera, I will leave the camera here, but I bring the microphone.
2 weeks of fossil-free driving. Oh, that was nice. Pretty. Do you go to sauna often in Norway?
Actually not. I think this is the first time I get naked with 3 guys I don't know.
Oh
no. But it's nice and warm here.
Yeah. It's really nice. Maybe you can throw some water on this.
Oh yeah, throw some water.
This is of course electric stove, since we are in the electric car industry.
Oh yeah.
So electric charge. I really prefer the wooden sauna with the smell. Yeah.
I was about to say, now we're cooking. We've been in a sauna for, how long have we been there?
15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Maybe.
I would like to stay longer, but
yeah,
this will work.
We don't really have a schedule like in Germany. You have to stay a certain time, so 5 minutes, 2 hours.
Okay, let me see if I can get the cameraman right behind me.
Okay.
All right, so this is what you Finnish people doing.
Every day.
Every day. Ooh. So I have to explain what I experience right now. It doesn't feel that cold in my upper body, but my feet are freezing. Holy crap, my feet are freezing. Oh, everything else is okay. Just that my feet are freezing. I better do this fast before I get damage in my feet. But actually, you know what? Yeah, I should have brought some shoes. But once I jump in, then the water will feel way warmer than the surface of the snow here. Holy crap, I didn't know that the feet would be the worst part. Okay, I have to jump in. Wait, is someone there?
No. And this one is heated, so
okay.
It doesn't freeze and you don't slip.
This is the first time I try it. So now we just have to blur out some things here. Well, okay. So I have to hold it over the... Holy... Okay, I don't think I can go that way. Oh, this is cold. This is freaking cool. This is.
It's not even minus 50.
I think I had enough. Oh shit. Oh, this is really cool. I think I had enough. I have to go inside. My feet are freezing. Oh. You know what? This is weird because after I dipped in there, it doesn't feel that cold anymore. This is so weird. It's around 0 degrees Celsius and I'm half naked here. Well, let's go. The worst part is actually my feet, but fortunately this part here is heated. But okay, let's get back into the sauna then. I mean, yeah, get back to the sauna. Oh, shit, it's cold. Freaking cold. This is what Finnish people do. They're freaking crazy. Oh, my feet are, oh shit, my feet are burning. Yeah. So do it like him. He brought shoes, slippers. I'm running for it. I'm going.
You stayed there for a bit longer.
My feet. The first part's my feet. Thank you. Oh, I'm coming in. Oh yeah.
We already through some weather.
Oh, this is so nice.
It's nice for the feet.
Oh yeah.
Let's see.
Right, after some sauna and chatting with the Kempower team, we're gonna go have some dinner. Yeah, I think they're already inside.
So where are you?
Well, here's the dinner. We have some salmon. It's probably Norwegian with some salad. Oh, I need to grab some of that.
There's some potatoes as well.
Yes. That was great dinner, and now we're gonna head back, but in style. You guys recognize this? This is the Mercedes EQC, and the taxi owner, he owns a Kempower T-Series portable DC charger, and you can see here, charged by Kempower. So that's crazy. That's I was thinking overkill, but wow, I like this interior. Okay, well, I think I'll be riding shotgun now. But yeah, okay. So that is, he owns he actually has 40 kilowatt DC charger in the garage, the taxi driver. So apparently he drives long trips sometimes, and he doesn't always have DC fast charging available on his route. So that's why he has it in the garage. Why not? I think maybe I should also get one in the new house. Well, now we put all the big people in the back. I'm riding shotgun now. How is the space in the back now?
Oh, it's
Oh,
really
very
good.
good. Plenty.
Really? Okay. So I found the space in EQC to be somewhat limited in the back, but maybe okay.
Not with Asians
okay.
in front.
Okay, quick room inspection. This one is not that large. It's actually quite tiny. And then the bathroom is just here. I mean, okay. At least it's clean. That's the most important thing. To be clean. I don't care too much if it's too large. I mean, or the largeness of the room is ruined by a dirty room. Yeah. But okay, anyway, tomorrow we have a workshop with Kempower. I have some great ideas about what they can do to improve the user experience. But yeah, but now I need to get some rest. And this is a bit weird because you see it's 10 over here, but it's 9 in Norway. And also most of the rest of Europe is 1 hour before here in Finland. So, right, I think that's going to be it. Good night and talk to you guys in the morning. Good morning, it's now 9 and we just checked out from the hotel here in Lahti and we're going to Kempower. So I have to say, it's as expected. You see, this is the banana box test actually reflects real world case that it is somewhat tight in here, but still okay. So this is the last day of the event, yeah, and then we are traveling back home this afternoon. Go back in the meeting room at the Kempower office and go show something. So we're gonna have a little workshop today, but Kempower, they brought me blueberry juice drink. I requested 10 liters and I get it in the Kempower bag. Let's see, what does it say? Kempower defining charging. So you see, I get the juice delivered from Kempower. But how's this again, Paula? This one, this is the same one I drank from yesterday.
Yeah.
So it's supposed to be the same.
I'm not sure, but my guess is that it's the same. We need to do a blind test.
Yes. You guys need to do the pouring, and then I will. So we now have 2 empty glasses, and we're gonna pour. Someone else will pour. Paula will pour the 2 different ones here. I will leave the room now. You can trust me. I will leave the room, so I will don't know which is which. I can close the door even, and then I guess go ahead, and you can just So right now I'm in a different room. I'm in the entrance, by the way, but my microphone is still here, and Paula is pouring in stuff. And let's see then. I will also figure out which one tastes the best. I guess maybe we just happened to buy the wrong one. Okay. All right. Let me see. They look the same. They have the same kind of bubbles and everything, so it's impossible to. Let's just try to smell it. Oh, this smells just like the Finnair. What about this one? Let's hope my COVID stuff hasn't ruined my. This also tastes like the Finnair. Okay, let's try the right one first. Wait. This tastes a little bit different than the Finnair. Wait, I have to try this one. Wait. Now I'm not sure. Shit, I'm not sure. You guys know which one is which. Let me try this one then. Wait, this one is not as sweet. This is not the Finnair. Okay, I have decided. This is the Finnair, this is the other one.
Correct.
Yes! But actually, I like the Finnair the best. So it was a good choice. We bought 10 liters of that. We've been sitting here in the meeting room now, 4 people, and we've been talking about some cool ideas under NDA. But anyway, we've also been looking at, this is Charge Eye, right? Was it?
Yeah, data from Charge Eye.
Yeah. So data from Charge Eye, Kempower, they collect so much anonymous data. And we have a graph. Johan, can you tell me what this is about?
Yeah, this is a graph of handshake times per car. So when you plug in a car to the charger, how long does it take, how many seconds does it take until it actually starts charging?
You see, it's quite big screen. I have to, so if you can zoom out a bit, let me see. Whoa, okay, that's a lot of, okay.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of data.
That's the whole collection, but I'll say, if you go closer, I will then move closer also. Go to the top maybe. Let's see. Wait, why is it so blurry now? Let's bear to zoom. There. So now you have to explain that. So Kia Soul, why is it so fast?
It's the fastest one. So this is about 13 to 15 seconds.
But it's CHAdeMO.
It's a CHAdeMO car.
So the CHAdeMO protocol is faster than CCS?
Yeah, the CHAdeMO is faster. You can see Kia Soul, Mitsubishi Outlander, they're the fastest ones. With the CCS cars, we get a big list of Teslas. Tesla. And these...
this is also CHAdeMO?
Yeah. And these are under 20 seconds, so 15 seconds or so. Then we can go down and see all the other brands.
The first one is actually Polestar.
Polestar. Yeah, and that's just under 20 seconds. And then we can see plenty of other cars that go well into 25 seconds, 30 seconds. And at the bottom we have...
Wait, is it Audi e-tron? This is the e-tron 50 and the e-tron 55. Well, the e-tron 50 is actually a lot slower.
Yeah, the older models were a bit slower. So it could take, half a minute or 40 seconds, even 50 seconds with an older model to start the charging.
Huh, this is interesting. I had no idea that it was like this. But I also have a question then. This applies to Kempower, but what if it was Ioniq or ABB? Will it be different then?
Yeah, well, it's based on the car. So these are all, of course, data from Kempower chargers, and you can see so big a difference in car models. So the charger has some impact, but not that much. So it applies quite well also to Ioniq and other chargers as well.
No, this is so cool. Maybe is there other stuff you want to show in the Charge Eye? Or now we just leave it. Yeah. Okay. But I just have to tell you that you guys have seen some of it, that they have so much data in the Charge Eye app, and with the power of the data, Kempower can do so much. Remember, this is still anonymous data. It conforms within the GDPR, but it's pretty cool. So now we are in the e-tron. We are traveling from Lahti back to Helsinki airport. So yes, I think this is going to be it, the end of the trip or the Kempower visit. So yeah, Bjørn, what do you think? How was it?
It was a bit overwhelming because you know a lot about Kempower and I didn't. Because I've seen your videos and I've looked up the publicly available data, but I've gathered so much info about the charging solution and all the techniques at the factory. So it was very nice to hear about all the details.
Yeah, yeah, and well, I think we had a great time here.
Yeah,
got a little bit of Finnish tradition and stuff.
Yeah,
jumping in the lake and sauna, some food.
Yeah, so, it was good.
Yeah, is this the first time you're in Finland?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, so yeah, I guess now we just have to get over to the airport and then fly back. I might be, well, I will have contact with the Kempower team further on in the future. But I also like just sitting in the same room with the Kempower people and talking to them. And these guys, some of them are geeks, some of them are engineers, and many of them, they're just really down to earth, but really skilled people. That's my impression also. Yeah. So, well, we'll see then next time we meet again. But yeah, I think this is it. There's not much stuff going on now on this trip. You guys have seen interesting stuff. So I think that's going to be it for now. So thank you, Bjørn, for joining me on this trip.
Yeah, it was my pleasure.
Yeah. So that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.